Hey everybody, this is Orin from Bentodesk, and I'm here to show you a newer feature in Windows 11 called Windows Spotlight, and it's specifically Windows Spotlight for your background, your desktop wallpaper, not to be confused with Windows Spotlight on your lock screen. And I know Microsoft doesn't make their naming schemes easy all the time, and this is definitely one of those cases. Windows Spotlight for your wallpaper or your background on your desktop, what it does is it frequently, usually every other day or every day, I haven't really figured out their cadence just yet. It'll change your desktop background to a beautiful picture every day. And right now you can see that my wallpaper is this landscape with these hot air balloons. And I just want to show you a feature that I discovered on my own that's not very intuitive. So first of all, if you don't have Windows Spotlight enabled, I want to show you how to enable it. However, you will have it enabled by default with the 24H2 Windows 11 update recently. Now, if you want to change this setting, either to turn it off or turn it back on, if you right click on your desktop and then click on the personalize option, it'll pull up your settings menu. Once you're in your settings menu, click on background. And then you'll see that my option here for personalize your background is set to Windows Spotlight. And that is the setting that you will need if you want to have this feature turned on. So these are the four options you have available: picture, solid color, slideshow, Windows Spotlight. We want Windows Spotlight. Once you enable Windows Spotlight, it'll download and place one of their images on your background or your desktop wallpaper. Now, one thing that I found that I think is really neat is you might not always love the picture that they pick. And if you notice on your desktop, they've placed this little shortcut here, this learn about this picture button. And I just want to show you a little bit more that button can do. If you right click on that shortcut, it actually hides all of the stuff on your screen so that you're only looking at the wallpaper. And then it gives you three additional options that you can choose for that day of what you would like to see on your screen. And I've noticed that this seems to change again daily. I haven't totally understood their cadence. I can't find any documentation on the cadence of how often this changes. But for me, today, this is the wallpaper that resonates best with me. Now, one additional feature I want to show you regarding this shortcut is if you hover over it, you'll see that it shows you a little bit more about the picture. It says Cameron Highlands, and I'm not even going to try, in Malaysia. But if you right click on it and click on the Learn More button, it'll open your browser, specifically Microsoft Edge, and it'll show you more details about that image. So you can see in the bottom left here, it says, laying like a bright green quilt across the rolling hills of central Malaysia, the tea plantations of the blah, blah, blah. So very cool. I really like the Windows Spotlight background option personally. I know a lot of people don't love it, especially the fact that Microsoft kind of just forced it onto everybody. But if you do like it, I just wanted to show you that really neat option to change between the four options each day. Well, thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below or any thoughts on this new feature, the Windows Spotlight for background, and I will catch you in the next video.